Introducing the Lisle 13430 Flip Socket Set 8-piece. Double-ended flip sockets offer 2 hex sizes in each socket for the removal of standard and damaged or distorted lug nuts found on many vehicles. 6-point impact sockets are made from chrome moly steel with a black oxide finish. The set includes 17 17.5mm, 19 19.5mm, 21 21.5mm, 22 22.5mm, 27 and 27.5mm, deep thin-walled 19 and 21mm, and a 17 and 22mm socket with a plastic sleeve to prevent scratching on wheels, and a 1/2-inch square drive extension. Comes in a blow-molded case for storage. The Lisle 13430 Flip Socket Set 8-piece.